Welcome to the Peppy. Today we have another FairyLoot unboxing. This is the April's box. And it's again quite heavy. So let's open it with the scissors. Opening the box of wonders. Okay, let me. Oh my. Okay, I'll put it on the table because it's easier this way. So first, as always, we have what's inside with a wonderful drawing. Wonderful candle, I think. Yes. Oh, and it has glitter. Ah, this is wonderful. Purple. Yay! Reverie. I think it's pronounced like that. Whatever. So, yes. Candle. And there's this box. And I think there's a mark inside. So, let's see. Oh, yes. There is a wonderful mark inside. And it says, "To the stars who listen and the dreams that are answered." Yes. Yay! There's a magnet. Follow your dreams, they know the way. Ah, this is pretty cool. It's for my fridge. I like to leave messages on my fridge. This is pretty cool. Ah, love it. And we will pin with dreams. And I think this is a notebook. Yes. Chemistry. Portico Designs. Birthstone notebook. It's pretty cool. Look. Oh, with yellow. Oh, it's golden. Golden pages. Oh, awesome. A postcard. Another. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. Out now, HarperCollins. Okay, information about a book. Oh wow! Look at this bag. Wow. For my books. Yes. And here is our book. So I will open it and take out the things that might be inside first. A signed booklet by the author. Wow, a bookmark. This is nice. And oh, here there's the code to find my reading buddy. A letter for the reader. Wow, the magazine. With, yes, interview and stuff. Okay, and the book is, oh, where's the book? Given to the Sea. Look at, it's wonderful. Wow. Oh wow. Look. Hang on a moment. Trying to put it correctly. Oh, it smells good. So it says, everyone has a place. The given for the sea, the prince for the kingdom, the Indiri for the earth, the Lithos for his people. Now the tides are changing and the fates they thought they knew could be washed away. Cool. I like it. It's a very nice hardback. And by Mindy McGuinness, is an assistant young adult librarian who lives in Ohio and cans her own food. Wow. Okay. Lots of goodies. Okay. Let's see some of them again. This is a wonderful bag. where you can put your books, and candle, and postcard and notebook, and magnet, and pin, and other swag, and fantastic mug. Well, ready to go. Keep watching videos like this and subscribe.